there! And welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, Connor will be learning how to draw a rhino. Get yourself a pencil and a pen, and we'll make a start. Remember to subscribe if you like this video and be the first to know when we add more. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. Rhinos are very large and rotund animals. They can weigh as much as 1,000 kilograms. So, with this in mind, Connor starts off by outlining the rhino's body, looking a bit like a potato. Keep this potato shape in mind when moving on to the rhino's head, as Connor shows. Next, we need to add in the legs. Starting at the left-hand side of the rhino, draw a keyhole shape coming down from the body. Making sure it's rounded at the top and flat at the bottom. Then, we bring two curved lines down from what will be the back end of the rhino. Mark down some straighter lines like Connor is doing to create the bottom part of the rhino's foot, making sure everything connects. Then, draw the other two legs. The first coming from the rhino's tummy and the second from the rhino's foreleg. Finally, draw two pointed horns coming out from the rhino's nose. A small circle for the nostril and a larger circle for the eye. Don't forget the ears, mouth and tail. Woohoo! You've finished the basic sketch of your drawing. Well done! It's perfectly okay if you need to pause or rewind the video before we move on. While we wait, it's time for a fun rhino fact. Did you know? A rhino's horn is made from the same material, keratin, as our fingernails and hair. It's time to pick up your pen and add some more detail. In the next stage of the drawing, let's start by outlining the rhino's head, beginning with the first horn and working our way around, remembering the ears and mouth. Then, carry the outline round over the rhino's back, coming into the initial sketch to create the shape of the shoulder, before continuing the outline all the way around to the leg and tummy. Remember that the rhino is standing side on, and so we have to make sure that we make the legs, which would be farthest away from us, look as if they're on the other side. As you can see, Connor is making sure the legs farthest away appear behind the near legs. We do this by making sure that we don't overlap. Don't forget the tail. And remember to add in the little tuft of hair at the bottom of the tail. Next, we can add some expression into the rhino's face. This is a rather tired rhino. So, Connor draws a horizontal line for a drooping eyelid in the middle of the circle marked out for the eye. Next, add in a spiral shape for the nostril and an eyebrow. Eyebrows can help to give the rhino the expression you want, so feel free to get creative. Connect the rhino's head by drawing a line at the base of the horns on the nose. For extra detail, add a small curved line into the ears to make them appear more 3D. Then, bring 2 curved lines up from the top of the rhino's legs to create a strong shoulder. You can also add a few vertical curved lines, as Connor has done, to help show how round this rhino is. The final thing we have to do is add in the toes. We do this by adding 2 or 3 small arc shapes at the bottom of the feet. Remember not to overlap. Connor adds 1 arc shape to the final leg because it's being hidden by the leg in front. And that's us! Why not grab some colouring pencils or pens and add some more life to your rhino? Well done for a spectacular effort! If you enjoyed Connor's video as much as we did, remember to subscribe! We hope you've enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV today. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time!